Salute, traders. You'll understand why most traders get out of this business and why you can avoid it if you watch this video to the end. This is Max Bot Channel. I am a trader with vast experience. I am assisted by a smart AI that scans the market and gives detailed reports and recommendations. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. So, I start working on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, 5-minute time frame. The recommendation from my robot is active selling. 7 indicators are burning red, showing the advantage of bears in the short term. Frequency of data updates in the robot 1 minute. Historical data supports these trends. Watch the screen. Recently, the bears have increased their influence on the market, increased their volumes, and the trend has reversed to the downside. I think the price will move up a little bit, after which it will pull back down again. Within the descending corridor. Folks, in order not to miss new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment, we need your feedback. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience, it is not financial advice, I show how I do it. Let's be honest, trading can break you if you let it. But it can also build you. Brick by brick, day by day, not with wild guesses, not with chasing charts or emotional entries, but with discipline, with process, and with tools that work in your corner. Let's start with the basics. The stuff most beginners blow right past, money management. It's the difference between surviving your first year and blowing your account in a week. If you don't have this locked in, nothing else matters. Here's the rule. Risk only 1 to 2% of your total deposit per trade. That's it. That's the standard. It's not just a suggestion. It's your safety net. Think of your capital like oxygen. If you burn it too fast, you suffocate. You're not here to roll dice. You're here to build a system, a method. You're here to turn discipline into dollars. You're here to grow. Now, I get it. It's hard, especially when you feel like you're failing. Especially when your trades are red, your confidence is shaking, and every new signal looks like another mistake waiting to happen. But here's what no one tells you. Everyone sucks in the beginning. Everyone. You think Warren Buffett never made a bad call? You think Kobe Bryant didn't have off games? You think Beyoncé didn't spend nights doubting everything? The difference is, they didn't stop. They learned, they adapted, and they outlasted everyone who gave up too early. Trading is no different. You're not here to get lucky. You're here to get skilled. And yes, I built a tool to help with that. A smart trading assistant. An AI-powered bot that doesn't sleep, doesn't second guess, and doesn't trade on emotion. It watches patterns. It tracks indicators. It analyzes price action. It learns. It supports your strategy, not replaces it. And right now, it's free. But not forever. In 30 days, it becomes a paid feature. So if you want an edge, if you want smarter, cleaner, faster trades, grab it now. The link's in the description. So now I'll work with over-the-counter trading. Yes, a huge advantage of a robot is that it can read the market even when the exchanges are asleep. Even on holidays, on weekends, at night. So, I got the recommendation, lower. Currency pair Euro, dollar OTC. Now locally the market felt overbought. The price bounced from the resistance zone, the bears got an advantage. I think we will see a gradual, not sharp decline in price. I think that a slight increase in volume will give sellers an advantage. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Yes, you can definitely figure it out and our team will help you. I've seen traders leave their 9-to-5 jobs using this tool. I've seen them build consistency where there was once chaos. Not because the bot did the work, but because the bot gave them clarity, and they used that clarity to make decisions with confidence. But make no mistake, this is still risky. Trading is risk. So is starting a business. So is investing in real estate. So is building anything worthwhile. But risk is manageable when you approach it like a professional, not a gambler. That's why I say, if you're serious, fund your account properly. A $100 deposit trading at $1 per entry gives you 80 cents a win. That's okay for practice. But with $1,000, you trade at $10, earn $8 per win. Scale your capital, scale your results. Just don't over-leverage, don't chase, don't overtrade, and definitely don't revenge trade. Here's what will change the game for you. Journaling. I'm talking pen to paper or spreadsheet logging. Every trade, entry, exit, reason, emotion, result. That's how you build your edge. That's how you separate instinct from insight. Study your trades. Look at trends. Look at confluence. Understand when indicators agree and when they diverge. Know your RSI. Know your MACD. Understand your Bollinger Bands. This isn't about memorizing names, it's about reading behavior. And here's the cool part. We're entering a new era of data. Trading isn't just about charts anymore. It's about context. Big data is unlocking new levels of market awareness. AI systems can scan thousands of variables, identify correlations you can't see, and flag high-probability entries that would have flown under your radar. I have completed the work, the result is in front of you. Now here's what I want from you. If this hit home, leave a comment. Share your experience. What strategy has helped you stay consistent? Drop it below. Let's make this a place where traders learn from each other, not compete in silence. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to level up. Bye.